back to another video.
Hello everyone. I know you can't see him, but Lucas is here. He's watching me today. He thought he'd say hello. So we have been away all week. So let me just start by apologizing. If you have ordered something and you haven't gotten your shipping or tracking info yet, we've been away all week. We took a little mini vacay, our first since COVID hit. And I'm not going to tell you where we went because Lucas did a special video from our location where we were. So for those of you who follow my son and his train videos and his train channel, you will find that out in his upcoming video, which will be probably tomorrow, maybe, Lucas, either Monday or Tuesday. We'll let you guys know. But stay tuned to see some cool video footage of where we were hanging out for the last week. So yes, I've been away. So now I'm trying to play catch up. And I'm doing a very quick video. It is Sunday morning, or just 11:30. And I'm trying to get this video done and released in the same day. Something I never do. So also, before I start, I want to say thank you to a viewer of mine. In the mail just got in the mail some awesome paints. They came in a Jerry's Artorama box, okay? And it doesn't say who it's from. So because it came straight from the Jerry's store, it got shipped directly from the store. So it doesn't tell me who shipped it or who purchased it. So if you are the amazing viewer who purchased these 4 bottles of paint for me, please let me know in the comments below or email me and let me know. I want to personally thank you. You sent me this is the Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. So I've got 2 of those. And then I also got some Phthalo Blue Red shade. And I got French Ultramarine Blue. So thank you to the amazing viewer who sent me that paint. And that is what I'm going to use today, the Blue Black Indigo. I'm going to be using that in today's video. So if you are the amazing, lovely viewer who sent me that, please let me know because I have no idea. Okay, the last thing I wanted to mention really quick. A lot of people have been asking me about workshops, people who live in my neck of the woods, here in Ontario. Now that restrictions have lifted a little bit and things are finally opened back up, I am going to be hosting a workshop here in my home at the end of August, okay? If you want details, you want to know about the workshop, the date, how much, what's it entail, this and that, you've got to email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com, okay? And I will give you all the information you need if you are in the GTA Ontario area and you'd like to attend a workshop and learn from me in person. Now, spots are limited because there's only so much space I have. And I may be doing a second class depending on how much interest I have and how fast I book up. There's going to be some special stuff going on as well. Special gifts or whatever, this and that. But again, you've got to email me for all the info. Now, this is all pending on, what happens with COVID. As of right now, numbers have been rising again, which really sucks. But we're still open. Things are still good. But if 3 weeks from now, the government comes out and says, okay, we're shutting everything down, we're going back into lockdown, obviously I'm going to have to postpone the workshop. So as of right now, though, we are okay. And I will be able to do a workshop at the end of August. So if you're interested, email me. All right. So today's video, we are doing a 16 by 20 inch canvas. Okay, and I have my push pins and my furniture levelers. I've been getting a lot of questions lately how I put the furniture levelers under my canvas. I use push pins, my jumbo push pins. All right. So that is how I put those on there. All right. And you can get the furniture levelers on my Amazon shop. It's listed in the description below. All right. There we go. So we are going to flood the canvas with my 2019 Artist Loft. Thank you to my lovely viewers who have been sending me 2019 paint. I love you guys. You guys are the best. So I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I am ready to go. I have flooded my canvas. I have torched all the bubbles. And you're probably wondering, why do you only see 2 colors there? Well, guess what? I'm only using really 2 colors. Well, 1 color and the other one is just white. So I'm going to use only the Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. That's all I'm using. That's it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to inject some titanium white by Amsterdam into the blue, okay? That's it. That's all I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna blow it out. Now, this color idea, well, this design, thought, process, all of that came from an Instagrammer I follow. Her name is Catherine Johnson, and she has been doing some beautiful pieces just with the Blue Black Indigo. So I had messaged her a couple weeks back and I said, what color was it? And she said it was Blue Black, which is why I needed to get my hands on some. And she said all she used was the Blue Black and white. And she had some beautiful pieces. Now she did some Dutch pours and some other techniques just using those colors. So I really wanted to try just the Blue Black and add some white. So that color idea, inspiration, thought process, all of that came from Catherine from Instagram. I will try to remember to link her Instagram account below. When I post this onto Instagram, I will also tag her in my Instagram post for those of you who are on Instagram and would like to follow her. All right, so let's get started. I just mixed this blue not even an hour ago. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to work my way down and I'm going to do a wispy. Now, because I'm only doing 1 color, I am going to load up the blue. Now, I've never used this brand of paint before, so I don't know. I guess I should have done a drip test and I totally did not do a drip test. I just mixed it thinking it was like Amsterdam paint or Winsor and Newton paint. So, okay, so now I have my other squeeze bottle here and it's got the titanium white. So what I'm going to do is instead of layering a bead of white, I'm going to stick the nozzle of the bottle, try and put it underneath and just squeeze and inject it, I guess you could say. Some people use, what is the word I'm looking for? Needles, not needles, but the syringes. That's the word I'm looking for. Some people use a syringe, but I don't have one of those. So I'm going to try to inject. So you see what I mean, I got my tip all dirty, but that's okay. So I literally just, as I scraped the bottom of the canvas, I was squeezing and injecting white paint. So I'm going to do it again and go this way. So I don't know if this is going to work. I don't want to blow out just blue. I wanted some white in there, even though there's white, you know, as a base, but I wanted to inject some paint. So that's what I did. I'm going to clean off my bottle here. Let me squeeze out some white in case there's any blue. Yeah, see, there's blue in there. So I'm going to squeeze out some of the paint until I get white again. Let's throw that out. I guess that's the only downfall about squeezing your tip. Holy schmoly, there's a lot of blue in there. I might, you know what? After the video, I'm going to take the lid off and go and wash it. That should help. I don't know why I'm wasting paint like that. That's pretty silly. All right, so we've got our blue injected with white. I'm going to pop the bubbles. Oh, there's a bubble right there. And I'm using my little hair dryer, my flower hair dryer by Drew Barrymore. For those of you who want to know where I got it, it's from Walmart US. You cannot get it in Walmart Canada. You cannot get it on Amazon. I know you can find it other places, but this is from Walmart.com. Last I checked, it was $28.99, but it was on rollback, so you can find it there. All right. So I'm going to start by blowing into my negative space, and we'll see what happens. Let's go. I had a vision, and this was my vision. This is exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I had in mind. I love this thing. I love my other hair dryer, but because this is a smaller canvas and not like a big 16 by 40 or whatever, this thing is perfect for these smaller canvases. The control I have with it is amazing, and the piece, I love it. Lucas, what do you think?
It's good.
It's just good? Is you like it? Is it like just good, or is it fantastic?
It's fantastic.
It's fantastic. He doesn't really care about this stuff, but anywho, I love it. It's so pretty. It's just one color, and with the injection of the white, it really made the difference. I'm looking at it, and there's nothing I want to touch with the exception of this white petal right here, because I can see some blue hiding under the white. So I'm going to get my small torch, my less powerful torch, and I'm going to just torch this one little white petal. See that? That's it. I'm not touching anything else. So now it added some blue in there. And that's it. I'm not touching anything else. This is why I wanted to get my hands on this paint. I really, really liked Catherine's pieces, and I really, really wanted to try it. And like I said, I had this vision in my mind, and I, thought about blowing out a Dutch pour and it being this beautiful bluish white pattern. And that is what I got. So I'm not touching anything else. I love it the way it is. I am going to fix my white edges all the way around, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, before I get to the close-up, I totally forgot to mention in my intro, the Great Switcheroo Part 6. So I'm super excited. Tammy's super excited. We are working with two amazing artists, Dirty Artist and Charmine, I believe that's how you pronounce the name. Charmine Khan from Milky Way Art Design. We are so excited. It's going to be a very interesting one this time. You guys all remember the last one with the colors and the, you know, Bollywood and the rainbows and all the different bright colors. Well, this one's a complete opposite. This one is going to be all black, white, and some silver. And that is it. So stay tuned. Mark your calendars. August 22nd. It's going to be an interesting one. All right, let's get to the close-up. All right, everybody. So here it is. But before we show the close-up, let's scrape those drips. I've gone ahead, finished, and cleaned up all my sides. Oh, I got to fix that spot right there. Scrape all your edges, okay? Do not forget. Super duper important to scrape the drips off the bottom of your canvas. Do it all the way around. Come back 10 minutes later, do it again, do it 3 times, and then you should be good. All right, let's check this out. It is so pretty. One of my favorite pieces now, even though it's just one color, I really, really love the richness of this color. And I love that dark, you know, center right there. This is so pretty. Now, there's going to be no shimmer in this at all because it's just the blue and the white. So there's no shimmer. So I could try this again and use Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. I could use a silver if I want, or Pearl White or something like that. But I could definitely use a Pearl Blue. I may try that. And then that way there'd be some sort of shimmer. Or I could do this with gold. What do you think? Should I do it with gold? So there's no sense in turning off the lights and showing you guys with the lights off because there's no shimmer. So that's it, I guess. Last night I was busy resining pieces, as you can see. So if you ordered pieces from my video where I showed you guys what pieces I had available, those are now resined. Hi, Lucas. There's Lucas. So again, whoever sent me that paint, please let me know. I would like to personally thank you, but thank you anyway. I'm so excited. And I know there's some other people who have also sent me the blue paint. Trust me, it's going to go to good use. I might even do it as a background base. So that's it for now. I'm glad to be back home and back to work, back to working in the basement here. So until next time. Oh, don't forget, if you know about the workshop, don't forget to email me if you want details on the workshop. For those of you who are watching and are not subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that red subscription button and the notification bell. And that is it. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.